Coming up with content ideas can be really hard, but it doesn't have to be. So, I'm going to show you a way to come up with a month's worth of content ideas in 15 minutes.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to try to run through this pretty quick. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below or message me. First off, who are you? For this example, we will be a hairstylist. Second, what are your content pillars? Let's say our first content pillar for this hairstylist is extensions. Next, we're going to choose a week topic or a week theme for that week of content. We want this to be super specific within that content pillar that we just mentioned, extensions. So let's say this one is finding the right length for your hair extensions. Then, assuming you want to post 5 days a week, we decide what type of content we want to share on each of those days. Then we just choose what the subject is for each of these content ideas. That ties directly in with our week's topic. So on the subject of finding the right length extensions, our first reel can be a consultation video. Our text carousel can be pros and cons of each length. Our reel on Wednesday could be videos of people with different hair lengths. Our image carousel on Thursday could be different hair lengths on people of different heights. And then our image carousel on Friday can be before and afters. Once I've done that for one content pillar, I can go through my other content pillars, choose week topics for each of those weeks, 5 pieces of content from within that topic, and then I have my whole month's worth of content. I hope this was helpful, and if you want a free template to plan all of your content out for the year, there's a link in my bio for a free Google Sheet.